Congestion number one. It's okay, we got the cure. Commemorating Aussie on a windy motorway.
Oh, it must have been. Don't say
Me and James are on our way to the depths of hell at the minute.
Yeah, we've sinned. We've sinned too much.
We've done bad.
Oh, by the way, sorry, we should explain. We fucking crashed.
Yeah, yeah. That's that. We crashed. We died. And now I think we're on our way to the underworld.
The
Unfortunately.
flaming depths of hell. Yeah, I shot
Where is there to parking? I don't know about you, but that looks like the ocean to me, mate.
No, it's just a massive lake there.
Right, just checking in, aren't we? Yeah. At this conveniently placed reception. We've just made it to our room. Old building, confusing layout. I'll show you that soon, I guess. But this is the room. This is our home for the next few days, I guess. And it is lovely. We did not pay for a sea view, did we, James?
Not.
But look at this. Ta-da! No sea view miles. It's lovely, man. It's clean. It's everything we need. There's a restaurant and a bar literally under our feet. Like, we're sorted. We only have to leave if we want to go somewhere or do something. That's it, isn't it, really? We're sorted. We got breakfast. I miss filming myself like this. I used to do this all the time for YouTube. Yeah. You remember back in the day?
You remember the shed log?
Yeah. Room 22. Yeah. James, bring us down the stairs. Was that a Katy Perry song, 22? Taylor Swift. Yeah, that's it. Yeah, like, look at this layout, and it's nutty. It's like a maze.
Liminal.
Yeah. You can sort the car out because James has had to park in disabled spot. Oh yeah, there's one right there, bro. It's sorted. Anyway, this is it. So diluted, mate. Whilst Doctor Who works out to lock the door. We are going to check out the bar. This way, isn't it? Windy. Oh, you fighter, man. Oh, this is insane, man. I'm gonna lose my hand. Whoa.
Thank you very much.
Oh, thank you very much. Fish and chip shops, James.
3 of them.
3. Probably coming up to a 4th one here.
Oh my god, actually.
Yeah, do you?
I knew there would be.
Good. Fish and chips.
Yes.
But no fish.
No fish.
Chips.
And chicken then.
And chicken burger.
I'll probably have fish at some point.
Yeah.
This week, you know me, but like, yeah.
How bad is the wind?
Yeah.
Fucking bad. I'm actually going to have to hold on to my phone with 2 hands. But look at this. Yeah. It's the castle over there. Yeah, sure, man. And you see that little lump all the way over there is where Christianity apparently started in England. Holy Island. Okay. Lighthouse over there, and then what that house structure.
I don't even know, you know.
I don't.
It's been so long.
Way far out there. I don't know if there it is.
Yeah.
Righto. Drawing, writing.
Drawing, writing.
Maybe the start of something new. It's about the end of the night, isn't it?
Yeah, pretty much.
Well, maybe not for us, but for downstairs, at least. Yeah, man. But look at this place. It's beautiful. The sea's just out there. Look at this, man. Look at this guy.
Don't call it that.
No, we are back in the hotel room after an evening of relaxing, writing, and drawing.
Mm-hmm.
And that is a nice, well.
What are you talking about, man?
A nice night well spent.
Okay. Nice.
Is what I was trying to say. But I'd show you the sea, but it's just pitch black, so there's no point. But it's very windy outside.
What if you see the lighthouse? Because the lighthouse was going earlier. Oh no, but I can't. Oh, there it is.
Yeah. Oh, yeah. Shit. Yeah. There we go. That was atrocious. Hello, people. Here is the adjacent to. This is where we're staying here. And now, check this out. This is the harbour that harbours stuff like boats.
And more boats.
And more boats. You wise words. You blithering idiot. James is wearing an awesome hoodie. Led Zeppelin. Don't tell him I told you that. Sign up, peace to come. Good night. Stay safe, people. It's windy out there. Would you like to talk about the book you are reading, James?
The Science of Happiness, 7 Lessons for Living Well by Professor Bruce Hood. It is, well, it has its entitled, just how to be happy, really. But science proves how it can actually, like, affect you. Like, you know, if you follow these simple steps, science will tell you this is how your brain reacts.
It's like gig psychology stuff.
Basically, yeah. Don't go to psychology school, just pick up a book by Professor Bruce Hood.
Yeah. Oh, that is a glaring review. That is awesome. Yummers.